Hey guys, my name is Dimitri, and this is a video for beautiful 2014 Chrysler Town Country family minivan touring edition. Just came in here at Car City in Palatine, and as you can see, it's in excellent condition. The body looks great. This one got only 60,000 miles, which is very low miles. It's got clean Carfax, it's got clean title. This one again is a touring, which just give you a lot of nice options. Beautiful and clean minivan. So if you guys planning to go on vacation, this is the middle of summer and looking for a minivan, this is it. It's here. It's got nice tires, nice rims all around. Let's look inside. This one has a leather interior, power seats. Just came from the detail shop. AC blows cold. Seats are in great condition. Climate control right there. There is a touch screen, AM, FM satellite radio. It's got a backup camera. Of course, it's got the Bluetooth. Only 60,000 miles, which is very low. Power windows and locks. This one has got store and go seating, which is very convenient. So anytime you can take those seats down, like within 5 minutes. And of course, if you have a big family, if you got kids, I mean, they're gonna enjoy the DVD, especially on this summer vacations or winter vacations. Again, it's a beautiful, nice family minivan at Car City Inc. Fresh oil change been done. Copy of the Carfax report is available at our website. And if you guys have any questions, you always call that number. Our sales team is ready to answer and support you and help you out with the purchase. So if you guys looking for a used vehicle, don't be shy. Call the number. We'll help you with the finance. We'll help you with extended warranties. And you're gonna be very happy with your purchase. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.